Outdated drivers can cause frequent system crashes. With Driver Booster, updating these drivers is a breeze. Simply scan your system, and Driver Booster will identify and update problematic drivers with just a few clicks, ensuring stability. Unoptimized drivers can lead to sluggish performance. Driver Booster enhances your gaming experience, improves video playback, and speeds up your system. Watch as we run Driver Booster on a test PC to resolve performance bottlenecks seamlessly. Connectivity issues, especially with network adapters, can be frustrating. Driver Booster can fix these problems and restore your internet connection. Stay connected without interruptions by using Driver Booster to address these common connectivity challenges. Prevent issues before they arise with Driver Booster's maintenance features. Scheduled scans and updates keep your PC running smoothly. Regular maintenance with Driver Booster ensures your system remains in top condition, avoiding common problems. Driver Booster is your go-to solution for fixing common PC issues. Subscribe for more PC optimization tips and share how Driver Booster has helped you in the comments. Keep your system running efficiently with Driver Booster.